Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check for TikTok video copyright. And here is how it is done. Let us enable automatic copyright checks for your TikTok videos. If you are uploading videos with music or sound and aren't sure if it could lead to a copyright violation, there is a feature you can turn on to automatically check and notify you before posting. Open the TikTok app and tap on your profile at the bottom right. Now, when you are ready to upload a video, before hitting post, tap the three lines in the top right corner and go to TikTok Studio. Tap the gear icon in the top right to enter settings, where you will find the option for Video Sound Copyright Check. This feature will automatically check for copyright issues with every new post, helping you avoid violations. Make sure it is toggled on. You can also go back and tap on Account Check to have TikTok review your profile, post, and ensure there are no copyright or community guideline violations. If there are any, you can appeal to them. For me, it says account in good standing. That is everything you need to know about how to check for TikTok video copyright. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.